SketchUp is an exceptionally versatile and user-friendly 3D modeling software that has become a staple for architects, designers, and hobbyists alike. Its intuitive interface allows users to quickly and easily create complex 3D models, making it an ideal tool for both beginners and seasoned professionals. One of the most appealing aspects of SketchUp is its simplicity in navigating the design process, enabling users to draw lines and shapes, push and pull surfaces to turn them into 3D forms, and modify dimensions with ease. This streamlined workflow significantly reduces the learning curve and speeds up the design process. Another standout feature of SketchUp is its extensive library of pre-made components available in the 3D warehouse. This vast repository of user-generated models includes everything from furniture and fixtures to entire building structures, which can be downloaded and incorporated into your projects, saving time and effort in creating these elements from scratch. The software's compatibility with various file formats, including DWG, DXF, STL, and OBJ, enhances its interoperability, allowing seamless integration with other design tools and facilitating collaboration with other professionals. In conclusion, SketchUp is a powerful and accessible 3D modeling tool that offers a perfect blend of ease of use, flexibility, and advanced features. Its ability to quickly translate ideas into 3D models, coupled with its rich library of components and strong visualization capabilities, makes it an invaluable asset in the architectural and design fields. Whether you are designing a simple home renovation or a complex architectural masterpiece, SketchUp provides the tools necessary to bring your vision to life with precision and creativity.